Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you the unboxing of Wonderworld GT08 smartwatch. I am also going to share some of the basic features and the review of this watch. Now let us see. Now let us open the box. I am going to open the box. In the box, we can see two appliances. One is the GT08 smartwatch and the other is the charging cable. Now let us look closely at the smartwatch. GT08 smartwatch is the best performing watch in a low cost. It has a face cam at the top and a charging port and also the on and off switch on its right side. It has a silicone wrist band and a well designed smartwatch. This is a well designed smartwatch, and I would also like to share that this is one of its lowest price watch with best performance. Along with the watch, we also get a 350 mAh battery which supports 2.5 days of runtime. Now let us switch on the watch. For that, press on the switch 3 seconds. Now the watch appears in an analog form. Now swipe left to right. Here we can see the time, date along with the battery status, Bluetooth connectivity, music and the contacts, call logs, etc. Now let us see some of the basic facilities of this watch. There are many facilities in this watch. We have access to Twitter, WhatsApp, Facebook and also many more. Along with the watch, there is a micro SIM card and a macro memory card. Now let us click on the file manager. Since I have not inserted a SIM card yet, a dialog above appears and we have call logs, and contact and we have many more options here. If our smartwatch is connected with Bluetooth with some other smartphone or etc., we can take photos, we can chat, etc. Also we have settings, calculator and a music audio player and a voice recorder and many other facilities. So I recommend that this is one of the best performing, and it has so many features in such a low price. And let's look at some more features. We have Facebook and we have sedimentary reminder which reminds us when we sit more than 30 minutes and so on. We have pedometer. We can click on start and stop and reset, etc. and click on back. We also has a sleep monitor. Oh, that's much of its kind. Sleep time, when we click on start and when we stop after sleep, it shows the sleeping quality. Now it's excellent. Now We have a browser here. We can input the URL, and we have the clocks with standard time at its center. Now we have WhatsApp, Twitter, and so on. I hope that this is such an interesting watch in such a low price. So I recommend you all to buy this watch. Now when we click on the power button once, it shows the front menu. One more thing, if our watch has a memory card, we can change this profile pic using any one of the images in our gallery. We can click on the gallery. Here it's the gallery. Since I have no photos, I haven't taken any photos yet. Now click on, we have the front screen, and clicking once more we have the analog clock, and clicking once more we have the power off. It's only a sleep time. Now for the switching off the smartwatch, click the power off button for more than 3 seconds and the smartwatch power off. Hope you that this is much a interesting video, and I also recommend you to buy the smartwatch. It's such an interesting smartwatch in its kind. So hope you all like my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.